N and P are integers greater than 1. 5n is the square of a number. 75np is the cube of a number. The smallest value for n plus p is blank. Okay, so given that n and p are integers greater than 1, and then we have 5n, 5 times n is the square of a number. So if 5n is the square of a number, then the value of n, the smallest value of n is equal to 5. Because 5 times 5 is equal to 5 squared, or that is equal to 25. And 25 is a square, is the square of a number. Okay, so now we want to solve the value of p. Use this second condition. 75 np is the cube of a number. Okay, so we have 75 times n times p is the cube of a number. The value of n is 5. So we have 75 times 5 times p. So we need to solve for p, so that 75 np is a cube of a number. Okay, so we need to factor 75. Factors of 75 is 25 times 3. And then we have 5 here, so we have 25 times 3 times 5 times p. And then 25, we can still factor 25 as 5 times 5. Okay, so we have 5 times 5 times another 5, and then times 3, and then we have p. Okay, so therefore, for 75 np to be a cube of a number, then the value of p must be 3 squared, because we have 3 5s here. We want to have 3 p's. So therefore, the value of p is equal to 3 squared. So that 75 np is a perfect cube. So this will become 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 cube times 3, and then p is 3 squared, so we have 3 cube. So 5 cube times 3 cube, this is a cube of a number. So therefore, the value of p is 3 squared, or that is equal to 9. So the value of np is equal to, the value of n is 5, and then the value of p is 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So the correct answer is letter A, 14. Follow for more.